It's official. I've gone to the dark side. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Putsborough Beach. Today, I'm going to be making a fool of myself as this whitewater kayaker tries wave skiing for the first time. It's been one of those things that has been tempting me for a long time. I've been thinking about giving it a try, and I've always just told myself, oh no, it's not quite for me. But the conditions are absolutely beautiful right now. It's quite small, it's on a receding tide, so it's only going to get smaller, and I'm ready to give myself a little bit of a wake up and realise that I'm nowhere near as good of a kayaker as I think I am, because now all I've got is bum and feet. So we'll see what happens. This is what we're dealing with. A little bit tiddly. Absolutely stunning. Sea mist everywhere. Stoked. So I've never used one of these things before. Never used the lap strap before. So this is interesting. This is definitely designed for someone with slightly larger feet than me, that's for sure. But we're gonna make it work. So forgive this pointing straight at my crotch. Essentially you've got this buckle here and it folds through that, like that, and then locks you in, and that's your only point of connectivity, which is kind of terrifying, but also fine, because if you come off, you're just swimming, I guess. So that's fun. Oh, there we go, okay. You're meant to have your knees high? What are you meant to do? Like lock your core into the strap, I guess. Feels weird. You can't really boof, you're just going through the waves. Yeah, you can't boof at all. Okay. Or if you can, it's a technique that I don't know yet. Oh man, okay, that's fun. Okay. All right, you can kind of pull off on the feet to get the bow to rise a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. You can boof with it. Okay. Not very well. Absolutely wild. Go straight down the line then, well not down the line, if you go straight down the face of the wave, you're going to go straight, and that's fine. What I want is to get in position and trim the line a bit more. Oh, that hurts your heels. Okay. Ow. where I want to be. Like out here. Off the shoulder a little bit more. Oh man, I'm trying to use my knees, but they've got nothing to touch. It's all about where your weight is. Mind you, this thing is so stable. I imagine they come less stable than this, but it's so stable. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so cool. So much speed along the length. That's amazing. Ooh. Here we go, come on. Impressions, that is wicked fun. Oh. Oh. That is absolutely incredible. You've got no control with your knees at all. It's all like here. I feel like my hip flexors are going to be killing me in the morning. Just like the first time I came out in the surf kayak though, I am very glad that I didn't come out in anything bigger. I think I would have been terrified. Yeah, you can boost. It's just like more like a sweepy boost that you do on a wave in a whitewater boat, like that. Which makes sense, because these are waves. You can carve pretty hard with it. I just need to get comfy doing that on the wave. Like getting my bum over like that. Oh, that's something that's very nice. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. That was so cool. Okay, that's another lesson. You can just go straight through the wave. Not even bothering to think about boosting. Just go straight through it if you need to. Oh, that was fun. So much speed. Oh. then do you generate more speed to get ahead of the section there in an instance like that? Oh no. What a lovely day. Oh yes. Oh yes. Just magical out here. But it was also very wet. Woo. That was a good take. I'm happy with that. Oh, it's just such a different beast to being out here, even in a surf boat. When you get a big enough wave and there's enough speed, this thing is so fast. Come on. Oh, that feels so good. You start to get it carving. That's so sick. This is so much fun. And the fact that you can do this in between waves is just great. I can see why people like this. I'm also starting to get the feel for carving it a little bit. Man, it feels good. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you're here for the first time and you're enjoying this content, then please do consider subscribing. It makes a big difference to me, and it means that more people get to see and benefit from this content. Likewise, if you've enjoyed this, then hit the like button and share this wherever you feel comfortable. Perhaps leave a comment down below saying when was the time you've been most scared in a boat or on a wave ski. And I'll look forward to reading some of those and responding. If you haven't already, then get involved with the Whitewater Progression Discord. There's a link in the description. It's a great like-minded community of individuals who are all seeking to progress in the sport of whitewater kayaking. Come and get involved. Another quick note, just to say, if you have been waiting and waiting and waiting for the kickflip tutorial, I want to say it is coming. Please hold out. I am making it. I've been out filming for it in the last few sessions I've come out on the sea. I'm aiming to get some more river shots of kickflips, and I will be putting that video together hopefully in the coming month or so. So please do hold on for that one, look out for it, and when it hits, then please do like and share and comment and all that good stuff, and spread it around, because I'd really love for that video to be a one that people benefit from. So thank you so much for bearing with me, and look forward to that one very soon. Without further ado, let's catch some more waves. That was a bit more powerful. Oh my days. That was crazy. Fully plugged the nose on this thing. Well, that takes the cake for things I didn't know were possible today. Oh, ow. Oh man, when you air this thing out, it really hurts. Oh, that's so good. Okay, well that answers that question. Kind of rollable. I mean, I was on sand, but oh, that's nice. That was quite warm for that. Oh, that's going to be such a nice wave. Let's save that. Position for that one. Well, you've got to lie right back to finish those rolls off. Okay. Can't go on back deck roll the way I normally do with the boat, that's for sure. Right, one last banger, which I think this one will be. By the looks, oh yeah. Let's get ahead of that. Well, that was great. Pull the strap, disengage. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. Oh, that was so much fun. I will be doing that again for sure. If you've enjoyed this, please do give it a like. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yes. Oh